What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should be priority if you want to stay current in your passion of DIY and also hobbies you're into. Enjoy the tutorial and all the links will be down in the description below. Please make sure you like if this tutorial was informative. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss on any trending hobbies or DIY projects you may want to pick up. Comment below as to what you would like to get certified in or a DIY course you want to take up, and I can send a link personally for you to check out. So let's get started. Whether you know it or not, but items do build up rather quickly in your home, especially if you have a family. From toys, clothing, everyone's individual personal items scattered all around and not put away in their proper place could be draining on the eyes and mental health. When you do start the decluttering project, you end up with a worse mess than you started with. All this leads to is less and less energy and just feeling too tired to try. Don't forget the saying, your home is your castle. Don't feel like you're the only one with this problem. Many people deal with this on a daily basis, whether they live in an apartment or a house. Have you ever thought about your clutter history? You probably have. When you first started out in your adult life, you bought lots of stuff. You didn't have much stuff at first, but just in a few years, it was a different story. Then whenever it's time to move, it was an absolute nightmare. You found yourself moving boxes of stuff, and sometimes you didn't even know what was in the boxes because you hadn't looked in them in years. There's nothing that drains your energy more than living with clutter. In this ebook that you will have full access once payment confirmation goes through, you will have many ways to get rid of clutter. Not only that, but how you can keep all the stuff you want, yet still be free of your clutter. The 5-minute solution for procrastination, how to organize all of your life paperwork, the easy way to organize your clothing fast so you wear them, what you love and what you wear, of course, much more. You will start to live simple ways to declutter your spaces, such as start by removing trash. Begin by choosing one small area to organize, like a drawer. Sort items into 3 piles. Keep, donate, and toss. Find a specific home for everything you intend to keep. For example, a hook for your keys. You will learn to start with the countertops. Shelves and other flat surfaces are clutter magnets. If you need to keep a few things out on the counter, that's okay, but you should make it a goal to free all surface of most clutter. When you create order in your life and see how good that feels, you don't want to go back. You could pass this on to others like your family first. But you'll be surprised how quickly you can go from living in a depressing disaster to living in a home that makes you feel proud every day to be there. Trust me, so much more awaits you when your surrounding brings you joy. If you want to have the experience, the peace and power that order can and will bring to you in your family's life, this is the ebook for you. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Please subscribe so you don't miss on any trending DIY, hobby, passion project courses that you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I'll reply back. There's also a playlist I have created so you go straight to that instead of scrolling through my channel. Please make sure you check out these courses as well that's floating around right here, and always remember to learn something new and share it to the world. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.